All right, what we are trying to understand is all about the total chemistry. Chemistry ki apun poche ko ne khangna no honor ka do ko. Aduna to understand chemistry, we need to understand about the constituent particles of matter. Matter si pot macam mayam chem doi natra. Ada khwaji pick pa ultimate tiniest particles in je kari ka we. Quarks and leptons na su lai ko. All right. Quarks si kya combine to be. Huh? Two or three combined to be quarks ko. Adu kari same doi na. Elementary particles. And quarks sing si 2 or 3 quarks pullaga khara hena chokhatpa higher elementary particles he me moi sing to higher elementary particles sing to kaya mukka leram bi ai yam leram bi ai ko. So many elementary particles are there, out of which 3 are considered to be very, very important. What are those? Huh? Protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons di kari charge ko hai. Positive. Electron di. Neutron di. Neutral hoye di kari charge ko. Zero charge. Adugi elementary particles ahum do. Adugi manung da khwaji heaviest hoy bajo. Khwaji lum do kai na. Huh? Neutron. Electron kaya muk pun baga. Neutron amagi mass ka managani arum baga. Huh? 1837 electrons ka neutron proton amaga manarabadi ko neutron na kaya ka mando 1838 adudi proton ga neutron ga mass khenari je yam khenaba nate ba kari gi man khene electron amagi arumba ga mass ka khen. Now atom jingsi amaga masak manadri se ko atom gi manung da yawba karamba elementary particles manadabagi na ha proton masing manadabagi atom gi center da yamna dense hoiba yamna kung ba arumba posaga ma yawbra kai ko ha nucleus se kai na sheme protons ka neutrons ka aduga nucleus ki akoi bada kari na ko electron unga ga lai ko electron ung bai lambel do kai ko shell or orbit ko nucleus ka khwai gi nang na ba cell do first cell ko dra first cell je karamba letter na denote we ha k na first cell the maximum the electron kya ung bai 2 second cell the third shell the fourth fifth huh sub the sixth shell the 72 like that now chemical elements makhal kya ung le 100 adoi de atoms the makhal 118 le roidra in terms of number of protons ki masing de nga ganatra proton ama khaktang yaw atom leibra kai ko hydrogen proton 20 yaw de kai ko na 30 yaw de 40 yaw de zirconium 50 yaw de 60 yaw de neodymium 70 yaw de yttrium 80 yaw de 90 yaw de 100 yaw de fermium 110 yaw de ha statium 118 chuba atom do de organization atom amagi manung de yaw ba proton masing do kari ka atom do ge ha atomic number si karamba letter na denote we atomic number is denoted by which alphabetical letter ha capital Z. Very good. Then atom dugi nucleus to yauri se kari ne ba protons ka neutrons ka element basic elementary particles ahum dui manung da protons ka neutrons ka yain adudi atom amagi manung da yauba total number of protons and neutrons to atom dugi kari hare khangne ha mass number is the karma letter na denote we capital A. Very good. Atom amagi manung da first shell the electron kya ungi, second shell the electron kya ungi, third shell the kya ungi and in order mathang onau nai ne ithok podo atom dugi kari kawe electronic configuration go electronic configuration ibagi rule lay roidra niyom lay roidra. Now what is the electronic configuration of mercury? 2 8 18 32 18 2 2 8 18 32 bawda electron puna kaya sura 60 adudi 20 ka thangai ramna tra mathang kaya 18 2. Then what would be the valency of that mercury atom? 2. Whether mercury is a metal or non-metal? Metal. Kay dong bang ambagin metal. Kay na pitok to. Karaway de pitok ko to. Outermost shell se kari harga jo khame. Valence shell. Very good. Now zinc atomic number 30. Magi electronic configuration 2 8 18 2. Mai jo balance kya na 2. Kari charge puni zinc atom ja electron pithok ha positive charge adri masi karamba radical na basic radical aduga ion zinc na negative charge purdi acid radicals. So there are many acid radicals and there are many basic radicals. That's all. Ammonium ion na namakangbra ha magi radical formula kama NH4 radical valence di ha positive 1. Very good. Aditya, let us try to build up chemical formula of some compounds, right? Akoina acid ba posak sida ko kari yaw bagi no acid oiri jata ha hydrogen ion base na kay yaw bagi no hydroxide ion yaw bagi sulfate na acid radical am tabra magi radical formula kayo hai sulfate SO4 radical valency negative 2. Adudi sulfate ka hydrogen ka pulla ga acid am sema ka to inatra acid tu mamin kai kauna ha law na yo sulfuric acid ki chemical formula kai hoine ha H2SO4 hoine sulfuric acid. Now phosphate anam tabra magi radical formula hanayo PO4 negative 3 it carries 3 units of negative charges. Adudi phosphoric acid ki formula kai hoine? Huh? H3 PO4. These are all acids. Not wrong. At the base the laws. Base is karina actually. Base is the kari yaugani. Hydroxide ion yaugani. Hydroxide ion duga kari ga pula ga base hai. Huh? Basic radicals ka. At the basic radicals sidi ayamba metal nga to oidra. At the non-metal oiba ma yaubra. Group of atoms kaino? Ammonium ion. NH4 is nitrogen jo non-metal, hydrogen jo non-metal. Aduna basic radical same ba. NH4 to ko. Ammonium hydroxide formula kama ini. Huh? Ammonium hydroxide. NH4 OH, ammonium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. AlOH whole 3. Now calcium hydroxide. Huh? CaOH whole 2. Calcium hydroxide. Sumaina chemical compounds in ko chemical formula ga je koi ilai lai na khang doi na tra yan ta ba ta da bra ha so in chemistry akoina chemistry ki subject se fully understand tawna na gi ta atomic structure se koi mun na khang bu da ka oe atomic structure khangdana tamiba chemistry sing do any level gi chemistry tamasu tamiba mi do mapunchi gi sungai heroi yan tabra by heart ka pangtau toroga darkness amambada pangchat chat paga manane khudi pangthi thijan bagi chances later and in chemistry da akoina chemical elements tamdra chemical elements makhal kya hue ha 118 adugi chemical elements to makhal ani thongna khaidok pa yadra kai na my metals and metal na kaya mong na 95 non metals na 23 ada 95 metals ka adagi 23 non metals ka gi mark ki sumu metal gi character su chain ba non metal gi character su dum chain ba 50-50 ki type to chain ba adugumba chemical elements su laitra moi to kari kang ha metalloids chemical elements 118 je akoi property chemical properties manaba gai group 9 ibra adu ibagi table do kai ko modern periodic table ko modern periodic table ko rise kai gino bu sigi mamang da hujik chanari ba periodic table sing mamang da atopo makhal ki periodic table sing leram me Mendeleev's periodic table kana Mendeleev hariba scientist tuna ihan hana world elements sing se chemical properties mana bagai group 9 classify tarom ba mana mai matam du dadi ngasi 118 chemical elements lai mai matam du dadi laite ko mai matam du around 60 muktang leram me understood okay now periodic table say sidai da group kaya mong lai 18 groups lai all right now 18 groups lai parent na kaya mong lai parent 7 parents. Group 18 suba group to aduda element kaya yawe element 7 yawe adugi 7 element to pulap kari hara khangne inner gases kari no kari bahamana ani subana mathang radon moi je inner gases harga ju khangne kari harga ju khangne noble gases. Group number 17 da yauba chemical element jing do pulap kari hara khangne moi halogens adu the chemical elements ke yawe 6 yawe kai no haiba ngambra kai no hai aina acronym tak pane kai no ahamda fluorine chlorine acronym do an haiba sanau ne aina tak pa acronym do ningsang na ba fakal briette hydro adu de hairo fluorine chlorine bromine iodine hayo astatine. Group number 1 the yawe element jing do kai no moi the alkali metals alkaline metals kana mathang thang laktoi ne ba ko adu laktring da group number 1 do adu yawa chemical element jing do hayo I will say once again. Okay. Now, radon ki atomic number kya na? Huh? 86, correct, 86. Chlorine. Huh? 17. 21. Very good. Zinc. 30. Copper. Huh? Copper. 29. Gold. Huh? Silver. Huh? Very good. Noigi standard che yam thina wang khangabane ba chemistry da aibu haijo diko ada khoi ki weakness me amam lai akhoi English language ningthi jana haina rakte natra government school gi hongna be English language ki command oidaba je se khoi ki weakness ne but akhoi whatever akhoi ki knowledge sing kokta yauriba knowledge sing se English language ta ithokpa tamnana bagi ko English grammar akhoi grammatical rules mayam ga loina na ko basic English sing iba hainana bagi khoi tamba hori done aduga makhata na muksu takthagali that's true. Now akhoi ki weakness hai babu akhoi na khangiba knowledge se chemistry ki matang do ro biology ki physics ki matang do ro akhoi na khangiba knowledge se masi English language onthokpa ngamdaba je sina akhoi ki weakness ne adu akhoi what shall we do English language kaman oina ba ko we need to read books English books sincerely. All the subjects are written in English? Not wrong. Adu the subjecting to the yauriba language, words, sentence structure, kari kara do khatoi na pa batam tar talagadi upai le roi ko yan ta ba talagadi upai le roi whatever we have learned so far we used to learn all those things inside the classroom only classroom the tamini natra aduna sometimes aruba part noi da khangba ngam da part to khoi hanjan hanjan tami do adune yum do hona na bai matam laite khoi natra all right okay very good